So in this video I will just show that this is for a Yamaha VMax 1985. I bought it as a project bike, and when I saw the fuel tank, it had a little bit of rust. What I did to it, I cleaned it, I put some anti-rust, I put vinegar, but even that there was a little bit of rust, and just because of the position of the bike, it was difficult for me to remove it. So what I did, I bought some cheap fuel filters. They do the job, but what I'm doing is replace them every like 2 tanks or 3 tanks of gas. These are like this. I paid for 4 of them. I paid like $12. So these are the new ones. So I will show you how one that was used looked like after 200 miles without cleaning. I'm sorry, even with the tank that was clean. Be careful here, don't cut yourself. And you will see why it's important to have a good filter, or at least a filter that you can replace very often. So you can see all this rust was going to go to the fuel pump. Take a look how bad it looks. And we have a little bit more inside the filter. So what the flow, it has a little arrow showing the flow. I'm sorry, I cannot see it here. It's in the same color, but it says here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has it's difficult to see here in the but the flow is from here. So basically the filter is like this. As you see, this is sealed and this has a hole, so everything goes from outside to in, and then the clean fuel goes to here. So I will put a light here to see if inside looks dirty, and as you can see, inside the filter looks pretty clean, but outside it looks bad. So the filter is doing its job, is taking care of all this rust. So even if it's a cheap filter, use it because it helps. So I will get a quick, I'm sorry, I will get a magnet to see if all these debris are magnetic. So I have this flashlight, and nothing of this is magnetic, or not too many. So I don't know why not, but some of them is magnetic, the other is not. So okay, so replace your filter if you have rust in your tank. Make sure that you always have a new one. These are disposables. I bought these ones at Amazon. They were pretty cheap. You can buy it for any kind of bike, different bikes. So yeah, always replace your filter. Look how much rust is there. Salud. Thank you for watching.